In this video, we're going to be comparing Midjourney AI to Leonardo AI. So with Midjourney, it's known for visually stunning, stylized images with painterly or abstract qualities. It's great at interpreting vague or creative prompts and turning them into unique artwork. It's very popular in concept art, fantasy, surrealism, and mood boards. The limitations, though, it does not have any built-in editing tools. It's purely prompt-based generation via Discord. Now you're going to have less control over specific elements or photorealism, but it's best for artists, designers, and anyone wanting eye-catching artistic values with a creative flair. Now with Leonardo AI, it's going to be more flexible, photorealistic, and creator focused. It has realism, fine control, and in painting editing tools. It has a web UI, and it doesn't require Discord, unlike Midjourney. It includes features such as pose control, background removal, and style customization, but of course it has limitations, which it may not match Midjourney's raw creativity in stylized output, and the free tier has limited daily generations unless you're on a paid plan. Now this is best for people who are looking for product mockups, character design, game assets, and precise image refinement.